In our previous video, we did a code walkthrough of the classic Hello World program source code in C. When compiled into an executable and run, it prints out the words Hello World to the console. In this video, we will take our Hello World program out for a spin to get familiar with compiling. Let's take a look at compiling and running our code. We'll open the code we were looking at in our previous video. The source file is transformed by the C compiler, called CC, into a runnable program called an executable. A text file goes in one end of CC, and, assuming there are no syntactic errors in your code, an executable comes out the other end. If there are any errors, failure to compile, or warnings, issues that don't prevent compilation but could indicate lurking bugs, the compiler will emit a message, often including the exact line number where the error occurred. Let's see for ourselves by compiling and running our Hello World program. All we have to do is click on this play button, and let's click it. Here is the output, and here is the executable that was produced. Now, even the best programmers have errors in their code. So let's take a look at some of the typical errors that you can expect. It's not uncommon to forget a semicolon, so let's remove the semicolon. And immediately Xcode puts up a red stop sign, and if we click on it, it says expected semicolon. Xcode is smart enough to catch many of the typical errors you as a programmer would create. In fact, here it says to fix it, just click here, and it inserts a semicolon for us. We could misspell printf, and we get a warning. Implicit declaration of function print. Basically, what this is saying is, I don't know what function you're talking about. And we can correct it just by adding the F. You could forget your parentheses, and we get an error. Expected semicolon. Sometimes the warning message is not particularly helpful. So you still have to do some thinking. You cannot expect Xcode to fix all of our errors. That's just a taste of the kind of errors that you would see, and that is an example of running a program in Xcode.